Hi, welcome to our WIC cooking class. I'm Sarah, and today I'll demonstrate how to make a crunchy chicken salad. This recipe is packed with protein, fruits, and vegetables all in one dish. It's low in calories and easily modified to your taste or food preferences. So let's get started. These are the ingredients we're going to use today. We'll need 2 cups of cooked and diced chicken, 1/2 cup of diced celery, 1/4 cup of diced green peppers, 1/4 cup of diced onion, 1/2 of a diced cucumber, 1/2 cup of grapes cut in half, 1 diced apple, and 1/4 cup of plain non-fat yogurt. Feel free to customize your fruit and vegetable additions to meet your preferences. Before you get started, make sure all countertops and utensils are cleaned and sanitized, and don't forget to wash your hands. This will prevent the spread of germs and will help keep your food and your family safe. Since this recipe calls for several fruits and vegetables, you'll want to make sure all of those have been washed too. First, I'll start by adding the cooked and diced chicken into a large bowl. You can use leftover chicken or cook enough chicken to make 2 cups of diced pieces. Chicken is a great source of lean protein and iron that helps to keep you and your family strong and healthy. Next, I'll add the diced fruits and vegetables to the bowl. These colorful additions provide fiber to keep your gut healthy and vitamins and minerals to keep you energized. Now I will add the plain non-fat yogurt. Yogurt contains protein and calcium, which support bone, teeth, and muscle health. The last step is to stir all of the ingredients until they're combined well. Now you're ready to enjoy your chicken salad on lettuce, fresh cut vegetables, whole wheat bread, or whole wheat crackers. This chicken salad is a tasty and nutritious addition to your lunch or dinner plate. If you're looking for a one-stop shop for protein, fruits, and vegetables, this recipe is a great choice. Thank you for joining me today. For more delicious and nutritious recipes, click below to like and subscribe to the RHN WIC YouTube channel.